Hey my friends, welcome back to another episode of In My Own Backyard. In this episode, we are exploring things to do in Oakville, Ontario. But before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the little bell to be notified of new videos. Visit the accompanying blog post for more info. The link is in the description. Hey guys, we are in Oakville. And we've driven past Oakville so many times, like either on our way to Niagara Falls or coming back from Burlington, and we've always come along Lake Shore. We always said, oh my gosh, what is this beautiful little houses in this little village here? And we're always like, we gotta stop by here and check this place out. So I'm so happy that I'm working with Visit Oakville to promote a little weekend getaway from Toronto to Oakville. I absolutely love this little town. But before we get started, we're gonna head over to Bronte, because Bronte is another little village within Oakville. And then after that, we're gonna head over to Kerr. First stop this afternoon is a hike in Bronte Creek. There is so much to do here for all seasons: hiking, camping, fishing, swimming, or just simply playing in the snow. Dinner at Chop. Chop Steakhouse's menu is stacked with 100% premium Canadian beef steaks, as well as fresh seafood and other hearty meals. But the must-have here is their proprietary beer, Big Life Amber Ale, made by Creemore. Plus, their Taste of Oakville menu is an incredible value, so you have to take advantage of it. Let's be honest, Sandman Oakville has the perfect name, as you will have good dreams here in Oakville. Good morning. Bronte Village began as a small fishing village in 1834. The harbor was established in 1894, making it one of the oldest lakeside communities in Ontario. The small village also served as an entry point for many African Americans entering Canada through the Underground Railroad system. A few great businesses to check out while you're here. Eco Philosophy specializes in eco-friendly products, reusable over disposables, and even has a refill program. Goldwyn & Sons does haircuts, beard trims, and other upscale treatments paired with a drink. Flavor Fox has a range of ice cream flavors, as well as hot drinks and even froyo for the dogs. Taste of Columbia, fine fair trade coffee, gifts, savory and sweet foods, and even coffee cocktails here. La Parisienne Creperie is a little piece of France in Bronte Harbor. The completely renovated interior of the restaurant will instantly take you back to a cute cafe in Paris. Meanwhile, the delicious sweet and savory French-style crepes are delicious and made with fresh local ingredients whenever possible. Kerr Village is a quaint little community with a strong feeling of community. Back in the 1850s, the village was a haven for African Americans fleeing America. Tanneray Park offers views of Lake Ontario, public washrooms, and plenty of space for the whole family to spread out and relax. Some points of interest inside the park are the Oakville Lighthouse. You can't actually go in the lighthouse, but the scene from outside is worth a stop and a quick Instagram pic. Waterfront trail spanning throughout Tanneray Park, and on a clear day you can see Toronto's skyline from here as well. Now, speaking of Black history, be sure to take the insightful self-guided tour if you are interested in exploring the buildings and places of interest surrounding Kerr Village's Black history significance. Let's get into some shopping. Dove and Arrow. Stop here to purchase locally made products as souvenirs and gifts. The Kind Matter Company, another fantastic Oakville eco-friendly shop for some zero-waste shopping. Farmhouse Artisan Cheese, a great place to pick up gourmet cheese for a picnic, as well as a few locally made products if you're like me and love charcuterie boards. Veretta Central Coffee Roasters, undoubtedly home to the best coffee you'll find in Kerr Village, and the community restaurant serving delicious meals with a 100% plant-based menu. I love how it looks in here. Jack's Bistro is a trendy French-Italian restaurant on Kerr Street. It has been voted one of the best restaurants in the GTA, both by Toronto Life magazine and Chatelaine magazine. The menu features classic dishes from France and Italy, emphasizing fresh ingredients and local products. Finally, we check into Holiday Inn Oakville Center. It's located close to downtown for easy travel to the top attractions and landmarks. All right, that's it for this episode. This is day one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the little bell to be notified of new videos like day two coming up soon. Also, check out the link to the blog post in the description for more information and pictures. Till next time, cheers.